here, beside the Thomasville Bus Factory, we have the Rifle Air Conditioning Company staging yard. Now that North Carolina buses get them, we'll see them out here. As soon as they leave, this one is a charter bus. They're gonna have that stocked for any charter school that wants a North Carolina spec bus ready to go. All the options. We have a North Carolina bus here. And we have Palm Beach District School 2636. I'm assuming this is the same one from Palm Beach, and it is. This is actually a Polk County bus, 2643. We have Wake County, Raleigh, 1990. We'll do a little walk around on that. We also have Pasco, fucked it all the way up, didn't it? Pasco District Schools. We have Collier District Schools, and whatever those are. The Blueberry here on the right is a Onslow County bus. And I don't know which one it is because they don't do their stuff like Thomas. And that's a Randolph. Come around to the back. Collier District Schools. We have 1226. If somebody's on one, I might have heard one. Maybe the alarm is going off for no reason. Coming around, I'm assuming all these are coming the same. Yeah, all these are going to Collier. And like I was saying, this company that owns Rifle Air Conditioning is literally right next door to Thomasville Buses plant. So they have not permission, but they get to sign out buses, bring them back. Right to the front side. I will just go on one of them. I'm pretty sure all the same. 1269 Collier District Schools. Of course, he had a stupid yellow, and this bus has some disc brakes. And of course, they done tore the floor up already, all this dirt. PA system, bus probably has an exhaust brake. Also has a regen button. Post-trip inspection. I hope I did not turn it on with the alarm when I opened the door. They about to be mad as hell. But I'm not walking back there. It's in normal mode, so I don't think that matters. We'll close it back. We gonna hope that this dang on alarm don't go flying off because we can get out of here. So they gonna be on their own because everybody around the corner, that big building. So I mean, of course I can crank it up. I don't really know how a 40 bus works. So